From Beta7 and welcome to a game called Dragon City. It's from the same creators of Monster Legends, which you guys loved, but then something happened and well, it all went to waste, but you guys loved it, I loved it, but now we're playing Dragon City, which is probably way better. So I have a lot of guys. I started last night and it was awesome. So I wanted to do YouTube videos and that's what I'm doing. So this is Blizzard Dragon, and today I'm going to show you how to breed another guy. But this one, it is in Dragon City. So I'll show you how to breed Blizzard Dragon because he's just awesome. So he was breeded. That's what that heart means. And you breed, at first you start off with scratch. You just have Flame Dragon. And you have Terra Dragon. Then there's a double Terra Dragon. And it's pretty cool. But then you breed Sea Dragon and Flame Dragon. This one and this one. So first it's Sea Dragon, then it's Flame Dragon, and then together it will make Blizzard Dragon. It will take about 2 hours to breed them here inside the breeding mountain. But then it will take like 2 hours, another 2 hours to hatch after you stop the breeding and put it over to an egg, and you'll get Blizzard Dragon. This is his second form. After level 4, you get the second form. Then at level 7, you'll get the last form. So yeah, that's how you breed Blizzard Dragon. And I got double Terra Dragon, which I named 2 Terra Dragon. You get it because at the first part, you get a calendar. And day 1 is where I was at, and that's double Terra Dragon. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next breeding video. But before I leave, you could also get the guy. Where is he? Blizzard Dragon. There he is. Blizzard Dragon, who's right there. Then you get electric types, I guess, at level 8. And then there's a lot of others, so see you guys in the next breeding video. Goodbye!